Good morning, everybody. So yesterday afternoon, Nick and Xander and I continued to fight the good fight on getting the new tank in, and it was a bit of a chore, huh, bud?
It was.
It was definitely more of a chore than you would expect. We need to tighten up the bolts here for these, no biggie. But it's up, it's in, it's where it's supposed to be. That's pretty up there.
Yeah, I see your finger.
Yeah. Oh, hello up there. Anyway, we just got to hook up our fuel lines. We're waiting for the proper clamps to get here. They are on the way. We do want everything nice as always, which we already know.
I think the fuel filters have been...
Oh yes, Xander did put the fuel filter in yesterday. It's in the housing after all the lines were cleaned. He's got the housing nice and tight. Cleaned it all nice. It still has that OE label on it because that's just awesome. All lines are clean, as you guys saw in a previous video. So we are just waiting on that, and then we'll be done back here in the land of fuel and fun. But boy, that was a battle. I ended up having to go find longer bolts, which we had, of the same thread. Because this tank is just, it's like an 1/8 inch deeper. So, of course, our original bolts would not go. So luckily we had hardware in the right thread. Put the cord, got them started by hand, put the cordless ratchet on it.
Away we went.
And away we went, baby. Oh yeah. So, tank's up, it's in. It's looking good. Just gotta hook up these hoses and we will be ready for our next step.